In your schedule toolbox, you'll see the orange button that will take you over to Check-in Manager. So click Check-in Manager, and just quickly you'll see there's a blue button at the top that will bring you back to Schedule Toolbox. So that's how you can get back and forth. Now when you're in Check-in Manager, you're going to have to set it up for the first time. You do that by selecting a campus, and then you select this little triangle, downward facing triangle, and select the little sideways arrow next to main campus. You have to click the arrow, and then click the arrow next to Building B, and then select either Elementary 1 or Elementary 2. Those are the two classrooms that we check out. So if you're in Elementary 2 and you want to move to Elementary 1, you just click the little drop down arrow and you select the other room for Elementary 1. And as you see, there's children listed. You slide your finger across the screen to see their tag code. And these are all of the kids that are on campus in this room. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you is if by chance you are in here and you clicked the words for Building B and you end up with a place like this or Building A or something, you just click the little triangle next to Building B on the right, that dark triangle, and then you can click the sideways arrow next to Building B next time, and then you can get back to your rooms for Elementary 1 or 2. Okay, when you're in the Check-in Manager, you've selected your room, and then it says All Schedules. So whatever's showing up on this screen is showing you everyone who has checked into the campus today. If you want to narrow it down by service time, you would open up the All Schedules by clicking the little dark triangle, and then select the sideways arrow next to Service Times, and then scroll down and you'll see Sunday 11 a.m., Sunday 5 p.m., Sunday 9 a.m. If you're doing CP Youth on the midweek, you would see CP Youth midweek up above, and you would click the little arrow next to that one to be able to select midweek in between. If we're going to do VBS, it's going to be down under Event Schedules. You'll see VBS, click the little arrow next to it, and select the VBS at the very bottom of the list there. If you just want to see one of the services, then you would select, say, like Sunday 9 a.m. And then that'll filter all the people to only the kids that are checked into that service. When it's time to check out and maybe a parent lost their tag, then up here on the 3 bars, you can do search. Let's see, I'm trying to get out of the menu. Okay, GMH. So let's say we only had a kid in front of us and his code was GMH and the parent forgot their code. So that'll quickly get you to the kids' contact. Then you can select the parent's contact, and now you've got the phone number for the parent, and you can look at them and ask them their name, ask them their phone number, make sure everything checks out, and just confirm that they go with that kid. So that's how you can use the Check-in Manager. The menu going back to Room Manager will get you back to this list of all the kids, and the blue button will take you back to Schedule Toolbox.